We love Ayers College. So being a part of these mock interviews, I've seen firsthand the preparation that goes into these students. But along with the staff of this college is just diligence of attention to detail in every aspect. And I've seen that firsthand, so knowing what I'm getting, the product of an Ayers graduate, it's really special. So I definitely love to come to Ayers any chance I get. Oschner-LSU is a wonderful facility for medical assistants or any healthcare professional to begin their career. We are a teaching facility. That is our culture, that's our environment. It's a very teamwork-eccentric area, right? So any new grad, whether it's a nurse or a medical assistant, what have you, they're gonna come to Oschner-LSU and they're gonna be ready to go, but not just because of their training from Ayers, but because, we're gonna walk with you and be a part of your journey. And having that teaching environment at a organizational level is really special. I love to meet people. I love to help pass the torch, if you will, and just truly prepare the next generation for healthcare employees, because healthcare is not going anywhere and we need great people to take care of our parents, our children, and so on. So if I can help be a part of that, I love to do that.